But now I'm looking at my list and I'm like, well, some of these stories are for this feature, some of these stories are for a different feature. So right over here on the left, I'm going to click on epics. And an epic is like a large story. One epic has multiple stories inside of it. And now right here, I'm going to click on create epic. So I'm going to call this epic 1. And then I'm just going to type in whatever. I'm going to click on create another and then click create. And then I'm going to call the next one epic 2. I'm going to hit tab to go to the summary, just type in whatever. I'm going to take off create another and click on create. And now, like magic, I have 2 epics with 2 of my favorite colors. And I'm going to collapse those epics so I can see them more easily. But how do we assign stories to epics? So I'm going to say, well, actually, story 5 is part of epic 1, so I'm just going to drag it and drop it. And you'll notice over here on the right that now story 5 shows the color and name for epic number 1. How convenient. Story 3 goes to epic 2, etc. Now, what if you want to drag multiple stories? So I'm going to click on one story and then click on the other story in that group. Or sorry, I'm going to hold down Shift and then click on the other. Now I can drag all of these stories to be part of epic 2. Kind of convenient, right?